What I have for you today is the Commercial Slushy machine. I just got done cleaning it out because I wanted to show you how to do assembly. So we will get this quickly assembled, and then after we do assembly, then we will do slushies. So you can see I've already got this side put together. And then the first thing we want to do after we've got everything cleaned out is we're going to put the stir on. And then this does line up. Once you put it on, you will turn it. There we go. And then you'll see it lines up. Super easy. Then the next part is going to be putting on the tank. So you go here with the tank, and you want to push that firm back. All right, so I've got that firmly in there now. The next part is you're going to put on the drains, and then down here is a little tube, and then you've got the drain in the back, or the hole in the back for that tube to go into. We'll put that on there. Same with the second one. You're going to put that on there. And then this handle assembly, this is already together, but this is really easy. It's just a pin. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to push up, and then you'll see that hole right there. That's where that part of the handle goes. I'm going to stick this in here. Oh, might be easier coming from this side for me. There we go. You put that in there and actually pull it up a little bit, then put the pin in. That makes it go a little bit easier. There we go. And then the last piece you need to put on is this piece. Like that. The machine also does come with a food grade lubricant for the different pieces on the machine. Comes with extra rings, seal rings for the back, valve stems for here, and then extra pins and different seals. Also comes with a user's manual, and then a pitcher to help when you're measuring your slushy mix. So quick get together like that, and you are ready to make slushies.